Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that heavy fighting is currently taking place in the Amhara region, in and around Dessie and Kambolcha. Viewers, there are many reports about this war that I will share with you in this video. According to the information received from Amhara region, heavy bombardment is being carried out by Tigray Defense Force. Due to the continuous heavy airstrikes by the Ethiopian Air Force on Mekelle, the capital of the Tigray region. Now, the Tigray Defense Force is carrying out heavy artillery airstrikes near Dessie city. Viewers, the Tigray Defense Force has already claimed that Dessie and Kambolcha are now in the range of artillery shelling. According to reports, heavy shelling was carried out by Tigray Defense Force near Dessie city this afternoon, and this has spread panic among the citizens. Tigray Defense Force missiles are said to have hit some areas on the outskirts of Dessie city. At the same time, the sound of heavy bullets from Dessie has been heard more than ever, which is disturbing. US Tigray Defense Force is currently looking at Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia, and Tigray Defense Force wants to take control of Dessie and Kambolcha as soon as possible, so that after gaining control of Dessie and Kambolcha, Tigray Defense Force soldiers can move towards Addis Ababa along with Oromo Liberation Army. US citizens in Dessie and Kambolcha are in a state of panic. Citizens are fleeing from Dessie and Kambolcha after hearing loud gunshots inside and outside the city, because war can now spread inside the Dessie city at any time. On the other hand, I have already informed you that the Tigray Defense Force has taken full control of Vegaltina a few days ago. And now the Ethiopian Air Force is carrying out heavy drone strikes on Vegaltina. Ever since the Tigray Defense Force took control of Vegaltina for the second time in 5 days, the Ethiopian Air Force has carried out a heavy drone strikes on Vegaltina, and reports of heavy damage are being received as a result of this drone strike. In Amhara and Afar region, Ethiopian National Defense Force is facing defeat in ground war. And after the defeat in the ground war, the Ethiopian Air Force is now carrying out heavy airstrikes on the areas in Amhara and Afar region which is under the control of Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, according to the statement of Tigray Defense Force soldiers are successfully defending themselves in an airstrike by the Ethiopian Air Force. And according to reports, furious fighting in Amhara region escalates today with both sides using extraordinary powers, and Amhara militias are mobilizing to fight with the Tigray Defense Force in Amhara region. Reportedly, in a large number, Amhara youth deployed in Dessie to fight against Tigray Defense Force. At present, the Ethiopian National Defense Force is making every effort to prevent the Tigray Defense Force from entering the Dessie city. And to that end, the Ethiopian National Defense Force is deploying large numbers of soldiers and civilians in and around the city of Dessie. On the other hand, Tigray Defense Force is trying to gain control over Dessie. Viewers, nothing can be said right now about the future of Dessie. At that time, fighting is raging in the Amhara region in three directions. Dessie and Kambolcha are in a state of panic, and in the south of Gondar and in the north of Gondar, the fighting has escalated. Viewers, according to senior journalist, the Ethiopian air raid on Mekelle, Tigray, took place simultaneously as a scheduled United Nations humanitarian flight was entering Mekelle airspace. This created a very dangerous situation, as Tigray Defense Force air defense could have mistaken the United Nations flight as an enemy sortie. He said, this begs the questions: why did Ethiopian government launch an airstrike on Mekelle at the same time they knew a United Nations flight were about to land in the city? It seems hard to believe this was a mistake. So, there are three plausible explanations. Number one, Ethiopian government conducted the air attack on Mekelle at the same time as the United Nations flight with the aim that Tigray Defense Force air defense would mistakenly consider the United Nations flight as an enemy plane and shoot it down. Number two, Ethiopia government conducted the air attack on Mekelle at the same time as the United Nations flight with the hope that Tigray Defense Force air defense would not engage them, so they could unhindered bomb the city in fear of hitting the United Nations flight. And number three, Ethiopia government conducted the air attack on Mekelle at the same time as the United Nations flight with the objective that the United Nations flight would abort its mission to deliver life-saving assistance to the famine-struck population of Tigray. He said, no matter which intention Ethiopia government had to undertake an air raid on Mekelle at the same time as a scheduled United Nations flight, it attests to their desperation and irresponsibility. Hence, UNSC or US must impose a no-fly zone in Tigray to secure delivery of United Nations humanitarian aid. So viewers, so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.